Yeah, what's up guys, it's Johnny. Thanks for joining me on another video. Today we're looking at these two control arms that I ordered off of partsgeek.com. I went with the AC Delcos. These are for the 2002 Honda Civic Coupe. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox them today and let's see how they look. So I already started removing the tape. And again, these are two control arms, front lower, for the 2002 Honda Civic Coupe, but they fit the 2001 through the 2005 Honda Civic. Whether it's a coupe or not, they fit. Sedan, coupe, either way. So these are two AC Delcos. Let me get them out, give me a second. All right guys, so I took them out of the bags, out of the box, and I laid them out. Let's check them out. All right, at first I was like, how am I gonna know which is which? But they are labeled. So you got the L for left, and then here you have the R for right. All right, guys, let's grab them and take a look. All right, they feel solid. The bushings are good. I can't move it with my hands. You shouldn't be able to. AC Delco, good quality. Nice, they feel good. All right. Now the right one. Again, you have the R for right, and then you have the L on the other one for left. Yeah, good solid quality. All right, guys, I mean, there's not much to them, so here they are. So these were $65.43 each off of partsgeek.com. The brand is AC Delco. These are for the 2002 Honda Civic EX Coupe. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe.